In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the emergence of advanced generative models has been a catalyst for groundbreaking innovations. Among these models, DALL E, known for its prowess in generating images from textual prompts, has captured the imagination of researchers and enthusiasts alike. You don't have to be confused, folks. It is a very similar model to the commonly used ChatGPT. Let's check it out. DALL E, the brainchild of OpenAI, first gained attention with its ability to generate diverse and creative images based on textual descriptions. The model was capable of understanding complex prompts, allowing users to specify not just the content, but also the style and context of the desired image. This breakthrough opened up new possibilities in creative content generation, from art and design to storytelling. Whenever any AI tool is released, it does take the internet by storm. And very similarly, what should you expect here? First of all, it has enhanced scale and parameters. DALL E 3 is expected to build upon the foundation laid by its predecessors, potentially featuring an increased scale and a higher number of parameters. This augmentation would empower the model to grasp even more intricate details and generate images with greater fidelity. It promises improved contextual understanding. An evolution in contextual understanding is likely a focal point for DALL E 3. The model may exhibit an enhanced ability to interpret and incorporate context from textual prompts, leading to more coherent and contextually relevant image generation. Third would definitely be multimodal capabilities. With advancements in AI research, DALL E 3 might incorporate multimodal capabilities, allowing it to generate not only images, but also potentially venture into other modalities like text-to-image synthesis or even audio-visual generation. And, most importantly, there's fine-tuning for customization. Users could anticipate more robust fine-tuning capabilities, enabling them to customize the model for specific applications. Fine-tuning could provide a level of adaptability previously unseen. This tool is built keeping in mind all ethical considerations and bias mitigation. As AI models become more sophisticated, addressing ethical considerations and mitigating bias becomes increasingly crucial. Developers of DALL E 3 may prioritize implementing measures to ensure fair and responsible use of the technology, considering the ethical implications of AI-generated content. Now, the next important section: what are the potential applications of DALL E 3? The first one is creative content generation. DALL E 3 could continue to serve as a powerful tool for creative content generation, aiding artists, designers, and storytellers in bringing their visions to life with unprecedented detail and realism. You may also try visual storytelling. The model might find applications in visual storytelling, where it could generate images based on narrative prompts, enriching storytelling experiences with vivid and contextually relevant visuals. Here's a step-by-step guide. The first and foremost thing is to familiarize yourself with the model. Start by obtaining detailed information about DALL E 3. If available, consult documentation, guidelines, or any resources provided by the developers. Understanding the model's strengths, weaknesses, and unique features is fundamental to using it effectively. Next is define your character requirements. Before interacting with DALL E 3, clearly define the characteristics, traits, and details you want in the generated character. The more specific and detailed your input prompt, the better the chances of obtaining a result that aligns with your vision. The key to produce characters is input prompt precision. Craft an input prompt that concisely communicates your expectations. For character consistency, include specific details such as physical appearance, personality traits, and any relevant contextual information. DALL E 3, like its predecessors, may benefit from precise input to generate coherent outputs. Now adjust model parameters. Explore the adjustable parameters of DALL E 3. Parameters such as temperature and max tokens can significantly influence the output. Temperature affects the randomness of the generated content, and experimenting with different values allows you to find the right balance between creativity and consistency. Do try iterative refinement. The initial output may not always align perfectly with your expectations. Consider this as part of an iterative process. Analyze the generated content, identify areas of improvement, and adjust your input prompt accordingly. Repeating this cycle gradually refines the output. There's a step here also. You could also do training and fine-tuning. You should also check if DALL E3 supports fine-tuning or training on specific datasets. Fine-tuning the model on a dataset tailored to your character generation requirements can enhance the model's ability to produce consistent and desired outputs. Finally, you could do post-processing. After generating a character, perform post-processing if necessary. Manual editing or additional steps might be required to fine-tune the output and ensure it aligns seamlessly with your envisioned character. Irrespective of what you do, experiment with different prompts. Don't limit yourself to a single input prompt. Experiment with various prompts to explore how different inputs influence the generated characters. This experimentation can uncover unique possibilities and help you understand the model's behavior more thoroughly. And finally, stay updated on the tool. In the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence, models receive updates and improvements over time. Stay informed about any new releases, updates, or best practices shared by the developers. Keeping up to date ensures you are leveraging the latest advancements in character generation. What are the challenges and considerations while using the tool? First, we have ethical considerations. As with any AI model, ethical considerations are paramount. Be mindful of the content you generate, avoiding inputs that may promote harm, discrimination, or unethical practices. Responsible usage ensures that AI technologies contribute positively to creative endeavors. We must know the limitations of DALL E3. Recognize the potential limitations of DALL E3. While it may excel in many aspects, it might struggle with certain nuances or abstract concepts. Understanding these limitations helps set realistic expectations and informs your approach to character generation. Establishing a feedback loop between the user and the model is crucial for continuous improvement. Developers may appreciate user feedback to enhance the model's performance, address issues, and implement new features. One of the anticipated directions for new GPT models is a further increase in scale and complexity. GPT-3 already boasted an impressive 175 billion parameters, allowing it to understand and generate human-like text across various domains. New models may push these boundaries, resulting in even more powerful language models. As the field progresses, a keen focus on responsible development and ethical usage will be essential to harness the full benefits of these advanced language models. Hope you liked watching our video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then click on like and definitely subscribe to our channel for more content. Share your ideas and views in the comments section below.